check our club suite room at Mascot Beach Hotel, Kannur, where we have come here via the Vande Bharat. Grandpa is lounging and resting after a long 3-hour train journey, and our room is so spacious and big that we have not one but 2 couches here, and of course the best part of the room, which is the amazing view. This is our coffee table where we make our drinks, and this is where we drink our coffees. Now welcome to the master bedroom, where we have a big and spacious bed, a study desk, 2 pillows and a closet. We also have 2 bathrooms. One is in the master bedroom, where we have a dry area and a wet area. And one of the bathrooms is right near the front, where we came from. Here, in this small corner tucked away.